Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Recently, I uploaded a video about how you can use OmniRoute inside OpenCode, and there I got really good support from you all, and thank you so much. So, after checking and testing everything thoroughly, now you can also use OmniRoute right inside your Antigravity IDE. Yes, you heard it right. You can use OmniRoute inside your Antigravity. So, let's get started because this is going to be a lot of fun. So before we jump into the setup, here is a quick breakdown of why OmniRoute is such a game changer for developers. First, 1.53 billion free tokens per month. It is free open source local AI gateway that connects to over 260 plus providers with 90 plus offering completely free tier. Second is auto fallback and combos. If one free API hits a rate limit or goes down mid-task, OmniRoute automatically switch to the next backup model without breaking your coding workflow. Third is smart token compression. It runs requests through the internal compression engine RTK and Caveman, reducing token usage by 15% to 95% while keeping your code structure completely intact. And the last one is 100% local and private. Yes, your API keys, prompt, and server run on your machine. No third party proxy tracking. So, guys, now it's time to use this OmniRoute in our anti-gravity. So, for that, what you have to do is simply go to omniroute.online. I will provide the link in the description. Now, what you have to do is simply click on Start Free. When you click, you will be redirect here. Now, just copy this line. Yes, you have to copy this line here and then go to your terminal and paste this line. When you paste, it will just download a whole stuff. And second thing, you have to just type OmniRoute. Okay, as I have already downloaded, so I won't just download it again and paste this one. Now what it will do is it will start OmniRoute server. As you can see, it is starting and it will redirect here. Now here one more thing, it asks for password. Now where is the password? Your password will be here. You can see default password, change me. So just copy it, okay, and paste it here to just enter the server. Now here you can see OmniRoute started, and here you can see I have already applied open code free here. Okay, as you can see in my previous video. Now what we have to do is we have to implement in anti-gravity. Okay, so for that what you have to do is simply come to providers here. Now here we have to add some connections. Okay, for that what I have to do is simply just select one and add connection here. I will go with Cloudflare Workers AI. Click here, and here you can see if I just enter the details, I got these models access. Okay, so now go to here and click on add connection. Now here just keep that name main, and in the API key what you have to do is simply go to Cloudflare Workers AI. I will provide the link in the description, and now what you have to do is simply go to Workers AI, just go to REST API, then copy this account ID and go to here again and paste it in account ID. Next come the API token, so just click here create a API token and click create API token, and here you can see I got the API token. So just copy it and paste it here and click on check. So here you can see it's valid. Now you have to just toggle this part because it uses free only free models, and paid models will be skipped, okay, automatically. So just everything done, just click on save here, and it start fetching, and here you can see two models are imported because two models are in free tier. Okay, now here everything done. Now let's go and add some more, like if we just go here and search for pollination, here you can see we have pollination. Click on it, add connections, and here you can see it's optional for API key because it's totally free. Just click here and click on save, and here you can see it start fetches and 32 models are imported. So that's good. Now everything done, you can add more as you want. Okay, but I will go with that. Now here you have to go with API key here, and now create one API key, and here I will just type anti-gravity and then click on create API key. Now we have a API key and we have all the things here. Now what you have to do is simply just go to your terminal here and keep this as running because it needs when you use this API base should be used. Okay, So if you just close this part, it will stop the server, and if the server is stopped, then it won't work. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now we have to just open the anti-gravity here. So as you can see, I have opened the anti-gravity and the test project here. You can see the folder name. Now what you have to do is simply go to extensions here, then go to and search for Cline here, and here you got the Cline. Just click on it and install this. I have already installed, so I will just skip this part. Now go to your Cline here. You can see this one, and now what you have to do is just go to settings, then in the API provider, click on it and search for OpenAI compatible. Now here you have to add the base URL, and then you have to write the API key. Okay, now let's go, and here you can see on our browser, here we have the API key. So just copy this API key and paste it here. Select all and paste it here. Next come the base URL, so just click on done and go to your endpoints, and here you got the base URL. So just copy this base URL and paste it here. Now then here comes the model ID. Now for the model part, let me just show you one more thing. Here you can see, if you just go to GitHub here, there is some model ID present for OmniRoute. Like if you just select auto, it will balance default and stick to your last code provider. But if you just add auto slash coding, it will quality first wait for code generations. Same for auto fast for lowest latency first, then auto cheap, which came cheapest per token first, then auto offline, which cost more most quota or rate limit, then auto smart, that says quality first. Okay, but in this video I'm not going to test these model IDs. We have to just get a new model ID. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to Cloudflare workers AI, click on test, and here you can see there are two models I have. I'm going to use one of these model. Okay, now go to your client here, and inside the model ID paste the model ID here, and just click on done. Now everything done here. Now let's see, just type hello to check is that really working or not. So here you can see it start thinking, and here you got the response. Okay, now here everything is going on. Okay, so as you can see, it responds successfully. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, make sure to like it, share this video to everyone, and don't forget to subscribe it. And I hope you love this part. If you want more videos regarding this OmniRoute or any other new AI models, just let me know in the comment section, guys, and I will try my best to provide you the video as soon as possible. So guys, I'm going to end this video. So guys, see you in the next video, and happy coding.